Hello there, it's Mona here. I just wanted to say thank you. I just wanted to let you know that I am so thankful for your amazing support and kind messages. I just have no words. Last week I reached 2K on my channel and I thought that I will gift one of you with this box full of gently used supplies. But before the surprise, I want to mention my two guest videos which are not on my channel but scrapbook.com's YouTube channel. Maybe you are interested in watching them. You will find all the links below the description box. The first tutorial is an easy DIY rainbow ornament tutorial with cardstock, thread and many useful tips. The second one is a shiny slimline snowflake card tutorial with extra tips and tricks. Last but not the least, I wanted to let you know that I am happy that you like my pink word die organizer idea. This weekend you can get another 5% off from it and from your entire order. And also get 3 freebies as well. I put the coupon link to the description box below if you want to check it out. Now back to my goodie box. I packed this box with gently used supplies and I will send it to one of my lucky followers. I only ask you to cover the shipping. If you want to participate, please let me know in your comment what crafty content you like to watch and what would you like to see on my channel for the next year. The random chosen will be announced on my Instagram stories on 5th of December. For more information like the shipping costs or my Instagram link, check the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. You are all amazing. Have an amazing day. Bye!